Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be going over the classwork for May 14th. And this is kind of like, I guess, our final review into triangle congruence before we start really digging into proofs. This is just reviewing the postulates in particular. So basically, for what I want you guys to do first is review this video here. Just kind of reviews all the postulates, take some good notes on it. It'll help you with these assignments for these questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two of these problems. The instructions are state whether the following pairs are congruent or not. If they are, answer with the correct congruence postulate. So our options are side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, hypotenuse, leg, HL. If not congruent, you may write NC for not congruent. And just one note up here for this video, RHS stands for right angle hypotenuse side. It's the same thing as hypotenuse leg, same congruence postulate. So those two things are the same. So when they talk about RHS in this video, they mean HL. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do 2 and 3 with you guys. And there are 10 problems here total. So I want you guys to do 1 and then 4 through 8. Okay, so I'm going to go back to like kind of the way I did this before, where I think of it as like a multiple choice question. So again, our options are S, S, S for side, side, side. We got side, angle, side. We got angle, side, angle. And the reason I do this, I really want you guys to like have these memorized. Angle, side, angle, 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 side, or SAA. AAS, same thing as SAA. And we got hypotenuse, leg. These all say that's congruent. Maybe that's not congruent. So let's think about this. If we look over here, first off, there's a shared side. This side is the same on both of these triangles. So I can highlight that. Now, we know that this angle matches this angle. And then we have a right angle here, and a right angle here, and a right angle here. That means they're the same degree measure, so we can mark them as the same. So, teal. Alright. So this angle matches this angle. So we're only dealing with angles of sides. So right off the bat, we can eliminate this. We know we have 2 congruent angles, so we'll eliminate this. It could be HL. Those are right triangles. Let's see. But I think the best thing to do is just go in the order that's, just try it out. So we have green, pink, blue. So this is angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle, green, pink, blue. So I think at that point, we should just select ASA, and you should say congruent because ASA. And that'll be your answer for this problem. Okay, so I think that one was pretty straightforward. I'm going to try another one. I'm going to do number 3. And a lot of this should be a review. This is kind of like our concluding assignment. So give it the best shot you can, and let me know if you have any questions on these. Alright, so again, what are our options? We have side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, HL, and maybe they're just not congruent, NC. Okay, so when I see this, first off, we've got a side here that's congruent to this side here. Those are marked as congruent. So we got these two sides matching. Next thing that they give you is they give you that this angle matches this angle. Okay. So do they say anything about this side, or this side, or this side, or this side? No, they don't. So we only have one side in this postulate. So it can't be SSS, can't be SAS. Maybe it's one of these two. Are these right triangles? No, they're not. So let's cross out HL. Okay, so that eliminates a few of them. What you guys should be thinking now is these two angles here are vertical angles, meaning whenever you have two lines that intersect, this angle up here, let's just say it was 30, would be the same as the angle across from it, would also be 30. So if that's true, these two angles are vertical, they have to be equal. That means that these two angles have to be the same. So I'm going to grab a different color here. So this angle matches this angle. Okay, so let's try and go in order. So I'm going to start with the blue. So let's do side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle. You might think, well, that isn't anything here. But if you look at this, you can say, or AAS can also be written as, let me just, whoops, AAS, or can also be written as side, angle, angle instead of angle, angle, side. And we could read it like that. We could go purple, green, blue, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, or you could go side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle. So it's just important to go in the right order. We can't jump around here and go side, then jump over. There has to be an angle attached to that side, and there has to be at least one more angle. So we should be selecting one of these. I like writing it as AAS. And that is your answer for this problem.